In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Docusign a Word document. Docusign is a fantastic tool that allows you to sign documents quickly and securely. It's perfect for dealing with important paperwork without the fuss of printing, signing, and scanning. So, let's dive in and walk you through the process. First, we'll start by logging into your Docusign account. Head over to the Docusign website and enter your login details. If you haven't created an account yet, be sure to sign up. It only takes a few minutes and is definitely worth your while if you frequently handle documents online. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main toolbar and click on the Agreements section within Docusign. It's a straightforward path to get you where you need to be to manage your documents effectively. Next, look for the Start Now button and give it a click. This step initiates the process of preparing your document for signing. After you click it, you should see several options to move forward. Now proceed by selecting the Upload button. This allows you to choose the document you wish to sign from your computer. Docusign supports various file types, but since we're focusing on Word documents today, you'll want to have your Word document ready to go. After hitting Upload, navigate to your desktop or wherever the Word document is stored. Here's a tip. Organization goes a long way. Having a folder dedicated to documents requiring signatures can simplify the process considerably. Find the Word document you want to sign, click on it, and then press Open to upload it into Docusign. As soon as it's been uploaded, you'll be prompted to add your recipient. Click on Add Recipient. This step ensures that the person you're intending to send this document to is properly included. Following this, you will see a Next button, which will take you to the document editing page. Here's where you can make any final adjustments. You can add special fields, like signature or date fields, to ensure all required areas are covered. Once everything looks good, you have a couple of choices. You can either save and close, which is handy if you're not quite ready to send, or go ahead and send it off. Once sent, Docusign will notify your recipient, and they can sign electronically. It's that simple. And there you have it. A straightforward, efficient way to Docusign a Word document. It saves you time, adds convenience to your workflow, and ensures all your documents are handled with the utmost professionalism. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on digital tools and productivity.